A strong run here from Matt Coffman.
Matt Coffman here with Coffman Racing, and this is my S13 240SX. Ray's wheels, legendary wheel maker. Achilles 123S, the best tire in the series. Wheelwood's on this thing. 410 Roush Yates, dirt late modified, a sprint motor. Mishimoto does all of our cooling. Kinsler fuel injection, AEM makes all of my intakes. Driven Racing Oil, they make the best oil for these roundy round motors. KW, German suspension manufacturer, you know, one of the greatest suspension groups on the planet. Drive shaft shot for our axles. Pretty much everybody on the grid runs those axles. They're so bomb. Sparco does all of my safety equipment. That's kind of our team mascot. Thunderbolt Racing Biofuel uses all food waste. We got Cybon carbon wrapped around this whole thing, hood, doors, rear deck lid. Factory 83 is my buddy, and he helps me design the cars. If you want to learn more about my S13, head over to the Formula Drift Garage at wheelwell.com.